Hello everybody, welcome to our broadcast room. I'm Jennifer from Y&R International. This is my partner.
Hello, I'm Catherine.
Today we are very happy to see you here. I will introduce our company and our products. Let's begin now. Before start, let me introduce our company information. Y&R is an industrial and trading company established in 1991. We have more than 5,000 fragrances and flavors, provided professional service to more than 15 countries all over the world. Our mission is to provide green, health, high-quality fragrance and flavors to our customers. We live in a friendly team and we wish to grow up with our customers together. Individual skin, individual you. We provide customization service as well. If you have any interest, please contact us. Now let's watch a short video for more company details. From this video, maybe you have preliminary impression of our product. Next up is product introduction. As you see, there are many oil samples in front of me. But do you know which are essential oils, which are fragrance oils? Catherine, could you please tell me the difference between essential oil and fragrance oil?
Okay, I think first is the price. Fresh fragrance oil have cheaper price than essential oils.
You are right. Price is an important way to distinguish two oils. Many people may feel confused about essential oil and fragrance oil. Although these two oils can be used for same purpose sometimes, they are different in many ways, such as price, processing, and in chemical. Unlike essential oil, fragrance oil isn't extracted from a plant. They are made from chemical reactions to creating a fragrance smell like a flower, herb, plant, or other fragrance. Fragrance oil may contain a certain percentage of essential oils, but they are not completely natural like essential oils. So fragrance is more cheaper than essential oils because they are easy to make. Fragrance is manufactured skin. It can last longer than essential oil. The range of fragrance oils is more wide than essential oils because almost any fragrance can be made in a laboratory. So if you want a good and inexpensive aroma, fragrance oil will be your best choice. Having introduced the difference between two oils, let's move on to fragrance. With the development of technology, fragrance is playing an important role in our humans' life. The use of fragrance is wide and close related to people's lives and attracts more and more people's interest. But for most people, it's difficult to choose the best fragrance. They often change their minds about their preferred skins as much as they change their clothes. So we take special care to creating the best fragrance. Fresh aroma and long-lasting effect bring you a wonderful experience. Our perform team can give you the most professional advice. You can find any fragrance here. Since fragrance is so important in our life, according to the usage, fragrance can be divided into two types: industrial fragrance and food flavoring.
Jennifer, what are the specifications about the fragrance oil and food flower?
There are many applications for industrial fragrance, such as beauty care, personal care, home care, and fabric care. They are designed for the body, face, hair, home fragrance, scented candles, air freshener, fabric freshener, laundry detergent, incense, reed diffuse, and so on. By adding fragrance to the product, we make the fragrance elegant and reflect the main effect to the product, so that you can feel the comfort and warmth. As for food flavoring, they can use it for making candy, cook, drink, ice cream. The range of application is subjected to GB 2760. Little addictive, good effect, and long-lasting aroma make our food more delicious.
Are there any caution before using the fragrance oil?
Yes, all fragrance need to be diluted, can't use directly. Please take note that it can't be eaten alone. That's very important. Please keep in mind. As told before, there are more than 5,000 fragrances in the world. We can divide it into the following skin: fruity skin, flower skin, green and herb skin, sweet food skin, and other similar brand perfume skin. Catherine, what's your favorite skin?
I like strawberry fragrance oil. It makes me feel relaxed and happy.
Me too. Strawberry fruit. Strawberry skin is one kind of fruity skin. It's very popular in our daily life, no matter food fragrance and industrial fragrance. According to the form, fragrance can be divided into two types, liquid form and powder form. Here are powder form. Here are liquid form. Now let's compare the two fragrances. This one is blueberry powder fragrance. Now I will open the bottle and pour some powder. Catherine, can you smell the aroma of blueberry?
Wow, very smell nice and good.
Yeah, I love the smell. Here are liquid fragrance. We divide into water soluble and oil soluble. As the name suggests, water soluble can dissolve in water and oil soluble can be dissolved in oil.
Jennifer, what are the difference of the oil-based and water-based oil?
Most industrial fragrance is water-based, but if you would like to make glass water or room spray, you can use oil. You can use water-based. Now let me do a simple test to see whether they can dissolve in water or oil. Firstly, I will choose two fragrances. The left is oil-based. The right is water-based. Catherine, please hold the oil-based.
Okay.
I will pour some water into two beakers. Then we put some drop of fragrance into the liquid. I will drop 2 or 3 drops water-based fragrance. Now let's stir the liquid and wait for a minute. Okay. Please take a look at the two liquids. This one, water-based, can dissolve in water completely, but this one, oil, can't dissolve in water. Let's compare the oil-based and liquid-based into oil to see what will happen. I will pour some oil into two beakers and repeat the operation again. These are liquid oil. Then we drop some oil into the liquid. Here I hold is water-based and the casing hold is oil-based. Let's stir the liquid. Okay, let's take a look. Compared to liquid, only oil base can dissolve in oil. That's a test today. Okay, that's all for our product introduction. Catherine, do you have any questions for our product?
Yes, some questions. What's the MOQ of your products?
Our MOQ is 15 kilogram each fragrance.
Okay, can I get best price from you?
Sure, we don't chase excessive prohibits. We will try our best to give you best offer, but different quality has different discount. So please let me know your general quality first.
Okay, can I have some samples?
Yes, we provide free samples for our customers. Just need to pay shipping cost. It will be refunded after placing an order.
I want to customize my scent for my own brand. How can I process?
It's better to send us some similar samples if possible, and tell me your requirements. We will customize and send samples in several days.
Last question, what certification and document do you have?
We have ISO HALA rate kosher certification, so you can totally trust our product quality. That's all for today's review. Thank you for watching. If you have any interest, please contact me. Let's start our fragrance business today. Bye!